Okay. This show's growing on me a little bit. How's it going, you guys? This is episode 2 of Chainsaw Man. I can't say I really like this show, unfortunately, so I'm not going to recommend it to you guys. But who knows? Maybe you guys will like it. Maybe you guys won't. I don't know. Up to you guys. But I just got to say, can't say I'm a fan. There's not really a lot to say story-wise. There's so far it's really only had one single moment where I was like, it's pretty good. Unfortunately. So, yeah. Anyway, we'll see if it turns it around or not. So, let's get started, shall we? Oni-chan daisuki! Bruh. Devil Man! Swear to God, bro. You're so dumb, bro. Barf! 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 Bruh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What? Oh God, bro. The question is why, not if. Motivations matter, bro.
How much? That's the bathroom.
The bathroom?
I got a story about the kitchen too, but we'll get there in a second.
What happened in the kitchen? I told you that bitch crazy.
What the fuck?
He's kinda funny.
Okay. This show's growing on me a little bit.
You stupid.
That was stupid, bro. That was retarded. What the fuck did I just watch? What the fuck? Okay. So they're called fiends, not devilmen. Okay. Alright. Bro, this show's fucking retarded. Like, what the fuck, bro? Seriously, like, this show's fucking stupid. Alright. Yeah, no, bro, this show's kind of growing on me a little bit. It was pissing me off a little bit, but, hey. I actually kind of like the main character now. A little bit. He made me laugh. Good work. You did good. Let's keep going. I'll keep watching more episodes, but episode to episode, I think I'm gonna have to stop for now because it's not that good, bro. There's not a lot happening plot wise. It's just yeah. He finds so basically this is the plot so far. Tell me if this if this doesn't sound stupid or not. Like, seriously, this is the plot so far. His dad dies. He gets a job, kills demons. The people that he's working for become demons, so he kills them. And then he's hired to kill more demons. And then and his motivation is boobs. Fucking retarded, bro. Fucking retarded. This show is not good, bro. If that's your motivation, bro. It's fucking stupid. I'm sorry, but that's fucking retarded. No, bro. No. That's hey, I mean, it way to be original. I mean, fair enough, you're original, alright? It's still stupid. It's still stupid, but hey, if it works, it works. It had its moments, so we shall see if it's any good or not. So, I don't know. But yeah. Anyway. That was episode 2. On to the next one. I'll see you guys later.